Do you think you should get more lead roles than him in the industry?
I deserve a lot of lead roles.
Are you okay to fall in love with someone on the set?
I mean, okay, you're saying like pretend to like someone.
Yeah.
I've done that.
Who is that? So शादी के जहर के घूंट तो तुम पी रही हो.
Oh, this is vinegar.
Yeah.
I won't be able to kiss anyone after
Yeah.
this.
But were you planning to go to kiss immediately to someone?
Never know.
Tell us the name of the celebrity who tried to hit on you.
I can't disclose the name.
In your married life, have you ever tried to do hookup?
Why is everything going to my marriage? Listen, my marriage is.
Kansha, welcome to Honestly Why Not.
Thank you so much.
This segment is called Unmasked. So I'm going to give you a statement, whether you should say it's a true or a lie. Okay?
Okay.
Today's artist ranking system is followers over talent.
True.
Is it true?
True.
You feel that?
It is.
Have you ever leaked a story about personal life just to stay relevant?
Never.
Never. You have secretly checked Gaurav Khanna's female fan DMs just out of curiosity.
I do that all the time. I keep checking his WhatsApp also.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's fun. It's actually fun.
TV industry friendships are more about convenience than genuine connection. True? Have you faced it?
Yes, I have.
You have pretended to be like a co-actor just to maintain on-set peace.
Pretended to be like a co-actor. I mean, okay, you're saying like pretend to like someone.
Yeah.
I've done that.
Who is that? Don't-
I can't even that.
Which set is that?
It just recently happened.
Being a celebrity wife sometimes gets more attention than being an actor yourself, and it bothers you.
I do get a lot of attention for being a celebrity wife, but it doesn't bother me.
It doesn't bother
It
you.
doesn't bother me.
Okay. There's at least one TV celeb you avoid because of their off-screen personality.
No, I don't avoid anyone. I think I am that celebrity that I think people will want to avoid
Yeah.
because of my personality.
You have stalked gossip pages to see what's being said about you or your marriage.
I don't have to stalk. I just get spammed by it. I'm there all over. I think I'm haunting everyone's feed at the moment, so I don't have to stalk.
Okay. You have turned down work or appearances to prioritize your personal life with Gaurav.
No.
No?
No. Am I not supposed to be this honest?
You have ever thought of doing a reality show together just to show your real side?
We have avoided doing
Yeah.
that to show our real side.
Okay. If given a chance, you'd expose one big myth about the TV industry without fear.
The first question is like,
Yeah?
without any fear. Yeah, where it's like followers are always over talent.
The perfect marriage image on social media is far from reality for most celeb couples.
True.
That's all for Unmasked. This is very interesting round of Honestly Why Not. That's sip or spill.
Spill.
So शादी के जहर के घूंट तो तुम पी रही हो. यहाँ पे ये उठा के बताना है. अगर तुमने नहीं बताया, then
So
you
I'll have to drink.
Yes.
Why are the drinks looking so scary?
It's not so scary. It's very
are
tasty.
Those? What are those?
It's just like your marriage.
I don't want. Why is everything going to my marriage?
Okay. The first question. Have you ever felt your personal life was being used as content without your consent?
Yeah. So what
Yeah.
am I supposed to do?
You're supposed to tell.
Am I supposed to spill the bean
Yeah.
or am I supposed to drink it?
No, you're supposed to spill the bean.
That's not fair. It's like either sip or spill,
Yeah.
right? So yes, it's been done so
Okay.
many times.
So what was it?
That I'm not. That
Then you have to then
then I
sip
have to sip. Can I choose which one to do?
Yeah, one by one.
One by one.
Yeah. So one you can take it now. So that next you have to take a different one. So start with white because शुरू में अच्छा लग रहा था तुम्हें सब कुछ. So start with a vinegar drink.
Oh my god, this is vinegar.
Yeah.
This is vinegar.
Yeah.
I won't be able to kiss anyone after
Yeah.
this. Oh my god.
But were you planning to go to kiss immediately to someone?
You never know. It's what? It's like a sip or spill.
Yeah.
Oh
How
my
is
god.
it?
Very bad.
The second one, have you ever said yes to a project purely for money and instantly regretted it?
No.
No?
No.
If you had to unfollow one person from the industry forever, who it'd be and why?
I any which ways don't follow a lot of people. I only follow the ones which I'm very close to. So I don't think ऐसे कोई unfollow करना मैं चाहूँगी.
अगर किसी को फॉलो किया होता तो किसको अनफॉलो करना चाहती है?
हाँ. नहीं. No, I'll sip. Now, which one should I sip?
Now you'd go for black.
What the? Why?
नहीं you go for red because white पहले किया था ना, then red मतलब slow तुम्हें बुरा लग रहा है ना, हाँ.
जा रहा है ना.
तो one sip of now red.
Listen, my marriage is not so bad.
But we are going on the track. We started with white. That's transparency.
Oh my God,
That's tomato sauce.
No, that's not tomato sauce.
That's
this is hot.
chili.
That's hot sauce. I'm actually liking this.
Yeah?
I'm liking it.
पी लो और थोड़ा. क्योंकि
Okay.
आगे और भी दूसरे कलर्स हैं
हम
ना.
जहर काटेंगे. जहर को जहर से काटेंगे.
Tell us the name of the celebrity who tried to hit on you and never stopped.
Don't do this.
It's normal thing. Everyone get hits if they are beautiful.
Yeah, but I can't disclose the name. Gaurav Khanna.
But that's already colorful now. Name the most overpaid actor in television today.
Gaurav Khanna.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think.
अच्छा उसको मतलब कम आमदनी देनी चाहिए.
नहीं मतलब मेरे घर पे आ रहा है तो मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं और वो
घर पे नहीं आता तो overpaid है.
Overpaid है.
Who is the most fake person you have encountered at the wedding or party?
Industry से.
Yeah.
Fake.
Yeah, you can name it.
But I can't.
Why?
I don't want to.
But who is that?
There are so many.
But tell me one.
So many. If you ask me, I think 90% people are fake.
90%. Okay.
If you ask me. So I can't name all of them.
What is the shadiest thing you have seen happen behind the scenes at a set?
Affairs.
Affairs.
Yeah.
किसके थे? Yeah.
At least I can give you this. It was my first show.
Yeah.
Like full on.
Same question. Have you seen something on Gaurav's set?
I've heard rumors. I've not seen anything. There were always rumors.
Huh?
So I've not seen anything.
You have not seen?
No, I've not seen anything. I've only heard rumors.
Have you caught Gaurav red-handed any time?
No, I have not. Why? अगर वो पकड़ा जाता रंगे हाथों तो शायद अभी तक हम टिके नहीं होते.
Name one talk show host or interviewer who tried to trap you with personal.
I'll take a sip.
What you can tell?
I don't want to tell.
Huh?
I don't want to name the portal also. Like I know the portal, I know the name, but it's like I can't do
कब
that.
किया था तुमने?
Big Boss, during Big Boss.
Then you have to have.
Can I take the hot sauce which is yummy?
Yeah, you can.
Yeah.
Because the last will be black, no?
Okay.
Name a project you did purely for the paycheck.
I did so many projects just for
Only
paycheck.
for paycheck.
Yeah, so many of them.
Name the friend who backstabbed you for a role and got you replaced.
Nobody. I don't think this is like possible in our industry.
Okay. Name a friend who backstabbed you with your husband.
Nobody. See, my husband doesn't have any friends.
Huh?
Yeah. The only one person that he has as a friend is me. So nobody can backstab.
Do you think he's so bad that he doesn't have friends?
No, it's not that he's so bad. He's just like very focused. He can just give attention to one person at a time. Like
Huh.
he cannot be divided.
Do you think
and
he
spread
don't
out.
want to give attention to anyone?
I want him to give attention to many more people.
But I heard that his attentions divert easily.
Does
Is that
that
true?
No. At least not when I'm around.
Yeah, if you're not around.
And then I don't know. Then I don't know, right?
Okay. Name one male co-star who was green flag on screen but was the opposite in real life.
I'll take a sip.
Then you take a black sip.
Wow.
Because that's the end. You went
That's-
through the colors, you were happy, now you are in black waters.
Oh my god. I think this is soy sauce.
Yeah.
ये बहुत नमकीन होगा.
वैसे भी तुम किसी को किस नहीं करने वाली हो आज.
मैं नहीं करने वाली हूँ. मैं चाह के भी नहीं कर पाऊंगी ना आज. अगर
मैं
मैंने
ठीक है.
सोचा भी होगा तो नहीं कर पाऊंगी.
हाँ.
Okay.
Do you feel Gaurav Khanna is too old?
Too old
No.
for you. What do you mean by too old?
Because you're too young, no?
I'm too young.
Yeah.
See, full marks on me being too young.
Yeah.
But I don't think he's too old. I think he's too matured for me.
Huh.
Not old, like too matured.
Old.
Yeah, like matured.
No, I mean like comparison. You look too beautiful and young. Don't you feel that एक party में जाने में यार मैं किसके साथ खड़ी हूँ? I have to see some nice hot boys and just mingle with them.
See, for me, Gaurav is hot.
Huh.
That is why I married him. See, even when I married him,
When
we were
you
like
married him, that's different. How many years of marriage you had?
nah.
9. That time, of course, he was hot. I'm
Yeah.
talking about the present scenario.
No. I think he's maintaining himself.
Yeah?
He's trying. He tries.
Okay. Do you think you should get more lead roles than him in the industry?
He's done a lot of lead roles. I deserve a lot of lead roles, but
Yeah.
I'm not comparing myself with him. Like I want to have.
What if you become, in coming days, what if you become a superstar like him and he has no work to do and just sit in home? What will be the situation?
If the roles are reversed,
Yeah.
yeah, I think he'll be okay with
Are
it.
you okay to fall in love with someone on the set
That's not up to me.
after the situation?
Yeah. Like if see, falling in love is something which just happens, right? There's no control over someone. Obviously, I would not want such a situation to happen ever till I'm married. Can you stop laughing?
Okay.
Yeah, you shouldn't be laughing. That's not fair.
Okay. In your married life, have you ever tried to do hookups?
No, I've not.
No.
No, I've not.
No. Okay.
Never.
Have you heard Gaurav doing it?
यार नहीं. अगर किया होता तो वही तो मैं बोल रही हूँ, अभी तक कलेश हुआ होता ना.
बट किसको पता है दुनिया में दिखाने के लिए तुम लोग कलेश करके भी शांत हो सकते हो.
लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल कि अगर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मेरे तक कुछ बात आई नहीं है. अगर आई होती तो शायद नहीं होते हम साथ में. आई फील नहीं किया है.
ओके.
और अगर किया है तो मुझे नहीं पता है.
बिना पता है तुम इतना हंस रही हो.
मैं हंसती रहती हूँ.
हाँ.
I'm known for, see, like you said, you are pagal. So I'm known to be that. So that is how I am.
Okay, but it was a good time. It was so fun time with you. We'll
Yeah,
have
thank you. Thank you for this.
No, it was actually the sequence what I said you. Starting with white, ending
Just
with black.
like my marriage.
Yeah.
That's how we defined
So now
just
you are
like
in-
my marriage.
So now we are in a black water.
We are in black waters. Yeah.
So again, if you get a chance, do you want to jump in white water with a different personality? It means a second.
Please.
This segment is called Tere Mere Beech Mein. How are you preparing yourself for an era where virality matters more than vulnerability?
I'm not preparing at all. I think I am at that phase where I'm already viral and I'm also very vulnerable at the same time.
Yeah.
So I'm not prepared at all for it. I'm just going with the flow.
Okay. As a female lead, your thoughts on toxic working hours and regressive scripts?
Toxic working hours, yes, I've
Yeah.
done that. I've been doing it for the last 6 months or so. Regressive scripts, I think,
Yeah.
what can I say?
Okay.
It's part and parcel of our job. And see, you firstly prioritize कि हमको कुछ अच्छा role मिल जाए, script अच्छी हो, performance अच्छे हो. When you realize you're not getting such thing, then you have to see rent पे करना है. So then you have to go with it that also.
Okay. So some people call you pagal. Are you pagal?
Yes, I am. आप बिल्कुल सही हैं. आप सब बिल्कुल सही हैं. Yes,
So you are.
I am. I totally accept it and I'm very unapologetic about it.
Okay. How much of casting today is talent versus contacts versus being in the right circles?
Being in the right circles.
Being in the right circles.
Yeah.
Talent also doesn't matter.
No.
Do you think so?
No. Being in the right circles.
Okay. Do you think married actresses are unfairly seen as less desirable for lead roles?
I faced it.
So you were better before marriage?
I think I had more offers before marriage.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So after marriage?
It all slimmed down. It did slim down.
But why did you let it slim down?
I was stupid. Pagal!
Is the competition among female actors supportive or silently cutthroat?
I don't find it as a competition at all. Honestly, for me, it's never been one of those things where I think that okay, she's my competition or something like that. वो
Okay.
मौका ही नहीं मिलता ना, हमको पता ही नहीं चलता, हम ऑडिशन देते हैं, बात खत्म हो जाती है, that's it, there and there.
Which one of the set do you think of Gaurav was so toxic that you have to interfere?
His last show,
His last show.
I'm not gonna name the show, but his last show.
Okay, so you had to interfere it.
I tried, I did interfere once, but then I was done with that as well.
Yeah?
Yeah, after that it was just, I was like, mind your own business, guys.
Yeah.
I can't deal with this.
So was that the reason Gaurav had to leave the show?
No. He did not. I think with Gaurav, the track came to an end. He did not leave the show. Neither did the producer ask him to leave the show. It was the end of his track. Even now, if you look at the show, I think वो track अभी भी
कहीं ना कहीं
open-ended है.
हाँ.
There can be a comeback. So
Okay.
it was the demand of the script more than anything else. So I don't think
So,
Gaurav left the show. Gaurav
Okay.
did.
What do you have to say? One thing that what made you interfere? What was the thing?
The thing, I mean, how can I can't give you.
You can't give me the names, but at least
I
you can
can't
give me
even
a
give you
story.
the context or the story without actually revealing everything about it.
But you can just tell me overall.
It-
Was there a love game?
No. There was no love.
Okay.
No love game at all. No love game. It was all very professional, and then at one point it started interfering with our personal life.
Personal life.
Yeah, it was coming everything was coming back home, which I was not very happy about.
Okay.
Then I had to draw that line. I was like, okay, whatever is
Was he
happening.
happy more in set or in home?
Gaurav is always happy working.
Yeah.
I think he's always happy working. I mean, as much as I've known him, he's the happiest when he's on set,
Okay.
rather than being home.
That incident made him happy more to stay on set.
No, I think at that point of time, he wanted to come back home. He wanted to run back home.
So that's all for Tere Mere Beech.
My
You have some
God,
questions?
I don't know. This is going to be so sensational for the moment.
Yeah, you have something to ask?
No, I don't. It's
Yeah.
so cryptic now. I hope people don't decode that.
Yeah. No, they don't decode.
They won't.
But they know the
They do
codes.
know. They do know the codes. I mean, you are open to interpretations. I don't know.
Yeah.
I've not said anything.
Yeah. Next, we're gonna go for rapid fire round. Rank them as actors: Erika Fernandez, Nia Sharma, Surbhi Jyoti.
You know, honestly, I have been following them
Okay.
ardently
Huh.
at different points of my career as well,
Huh.
and I really like all of them.
Okay. So rank them, no?
I think Erica will be first,
Okay.
Surbhi second, and Nia third.
Okay. Reality show: legitimate shortcut to fame or graveyard for acting career?
Shortcut to fame. I
Shortcut
don't
to
think
fame.
it affects your acting career.
Who should stop playing the college student role immediately? Parth Samthan, Abhishek Nigam, Sahir Sheikh.
मैंने नहीं देखा है यार किसी का भी, मैं कैसे बोलूं? अभिषेक निगम. अभिषेक तो अभी भी इतना लगता है. The other one Parth and then Sahir. I think Sahir.
Sahir should stop.
Yeah.
Which of your former co-stars did you have a spark with?
Spark. As in.
Yeah, as
वैसा
in
वाला,
वैसा
ऐसा
वाला. No one? Okay.
I mean, लड़कियां allowed है. I have a strong inclination towards females than the male co-actor.
Which female she was?
So I had this huge female like girl crush on in my web series. There was this other co-actress, Kriti.
Uh-huh.
So I had a huge crush on her.
Oh.
Yeah, like really huge crush on her.
Okay.
Like beautiful female.
Who's most likely to create drama for screen time? Tanya Mittal, Amal Malik, Kunika Sadanand.
Tanya. Hands
Tanya?
down Tanya.
TV versus OTT, who pays more on time?
OTT.
OTT. Name one actor who is only getting roles because of their famous industry parents or relatives.
I have no idea. No, I have no idea.
No idea.
No idea.
If you would erase one unprofessional co-star from the entire filmography, who is it?
Unprofessional. Yeah. No, I don't think I've ever come across someone who's unprofessional in
Yeah.
that sense.
Kill, marry, hook up. Aves Darbar, Abhishek Bajaj, Praneeth More.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
Kill, marry, hook up.
But do you think options are good or could be better?
Yeah, I mean, यार ये
Could
सब
be
मेरे
better.
भाई है यार. They all are like, they are like not even friend zone. They are like my brother and
Okay.
bachcha types.
Okay, give me one person's name whom you want to kill in the industry.
I would want to kill so many people in the industry.
Give me one.
But now ऐसे मैं सोचने जाऊँ तो मुझे नहीं पता किसका नाम.
One
होगी.
female whom you want to kill.
Female. नहीं यार, I don't want to. हाँ.
Kill anyone?
No.
Male?
No.
No one. Give me one person whom you want to do hook up.
Hook up with.
Yeah.
Like I said, male, female.
Male.
नहीं.
Tell me one name whom you want to hook up with.
I can't know. I'm married.
So what?
Hook
It's
up.
just a rapid fire round.
Yeah, so I don't want. See, I'm already married. I don't think I have the bandwidth to hook up with anyone.
But it's a hypothetical question.
Even hypothetically, I don't want to hook
But
up with anyone.
if somewhere you think, if you ask someone कि यार तुझे कौन पसंद था, अगर तू शादी नहीं होती किसके साथ hook up करती, there is a question in friends also. So they would tell कि हाँ मैं इसके साथ कर लेती. So what is that thing?
Like only in our industry, or we can talk Bollywood as well.
No, in your industry.
That's not fair.
Bollywood तुम बोली ये मेरा crush था उसी के साथ.
हाँ
So
ना.
television industry.
यार मैं टेलीविजन में इतने लोगों को जानती ही नहीं हूँ कि मैं बोलूँ. Like
जितनों को जानती हो.
उनमें से कोई भी नहीं है जिसके साथ मैं हुकअप करना चाहती हूँ.
टीवी में जिसको देखा हुआ है.
जानती हूँ.
टीवी में जिसको देखा हुआ है.
किसको देखा है?
किसी को नहीं.
अरे यार, see, very self-centered.
Okay, if you want,
Extremely
okay, let me just tweak this question. If you want to get married again,
no, I don't.
if
I don't.
you don't want,
I don't.
okay, if you wanted to get married other than Gaurav, who it would be?
What?
Yeah.
I've not thought about it.
The-
Really, I've not thought about it.
Okay, was Gaurav a good decision to get married?
Why are you doing this to me?
Just a question.
Yeah.
इतना सोचने के बाद
इतना
yeah.
सोचने के बाद yeah.
So that's it for rapid fire round. But do you think it was a rapid?
I think
Did you give a rapid answers?
I was very bad at it. I
Yeah?
think I don't deserve anything for such a bad rapid fire round.
So it was amazing. We had a good talk.
It was amazing,
Yeah?
beautiful, mind blowing,
It was fantastic.
just like a wow.
Wow. Can we have the hamper?
Yay, I'm getting a hamper.
So that's a hamper
Oh, it's such a pretty hamper.
that has your name, Kansha.
Thank you.
So, but why did we forget writing Khanna?
We are not writing Khanna because you did not call like Khanna wife,
Yeah.
wife. You called Akanksha, right?
Yeah. So I call it just Akansha Chamola.
Thank you for that.
Okay.
Yay! This is what we are building at the moment.
This is just because she answered all perfectly.
Yeah, all the controversial questions were answered.
No, our entire season, you will see all the questions for all are like this.
Yeah, did
If you
people
see.
actually like spill the beans, or they were like as coy?
Mostly
and-
they were spilling it, and if they don't, if that was such thing that someone will get so badly hurt, then they used to take a spill for themselves.
Yeah.
Done.
Done.
So-